Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Rusha Mandal and you are going to see more of dentistry, lifestyle and also cooking videos and gardening videos also on my channel, so do subscribe. Choosing the right face wash is quite a tough job. So recently I have been using these two face washes, so I thought why not do a compare video of them. I have been changing face washes for a very long time and I cannot just stick to one of them because I am not in love with any of them. So I thought I will be doing a compare video on these two. This is the Faces Canada Epic Skin Restoring Face Wash for the combination skin type. So I have a combination skin type, I should say that first. And the other one here is the Biotique Bio Papaya Visibly Flawless Skin Face Wash, which is for all skin types. So that is very good. So let's compare these two and it will be easier for you if you are planning to buy any of them or you're planning to buy a new face wash. First of all, the packaging. Both of them has flip top packaging, as you can see. So the Faces Canada one also has a flip top packaging, which is really good because it's travel friendly and also it is leakage proof, so that's good. And the Biotique one also has a flip top packaging, which is really nice, same travel friendly and very nice spillage protection it has. The Faces Canada Epic Skin is 50 ml and costs rupees 199, I think, which is a bit on the expensive side because 50 ml for 199 rupees is a bit expensive. The Biotique one here is 100 ml, which is bigger than this, and this costs rupees 110. So I think this is more cost effective, obviously, because 100 ml for 110 and 50 ml for 199. So as you can understand, obviously the Biotique one is cost effective much more than this. Consistency and the fragrance. So the Faces Canada, as you can see, has a very pretty green color. So that's really pretty. So let's see the consistency. I'm not pressing the tube, it's a bit liquidy, as you can see, it's just flowing. The color is very pale, as you can see, it's not very properly visible, and the fragrance is very refreshing. It's tangy, it's kind of lime, and it's very refreshing, perfect for summers. I mean, the smell will instantly refresh your mood, so that's really nice about the fragrance of the Faces Canada Epic Skin Face Wash. The Biotique Bio Papaya has a very pale green color. It's not very dark like the Faces Canada one, and this has very tiny granules in them. So I'll try to show you, but I'm not sure if it will be visible. So let's see the consistency. See, the consistency is thicker definitely than the Faces Canada one, and it's not just coming out. I have to press the tube and then it just came out on my hand, and the color is same. It's translucent and very pale green. It's not very dark like the Faces Canada one. And the smell, the fragrance is very sweet. It's not like papaya, obviously papaya would have been a very weird smell, but the smell is very nice and sweet. It's nice. So the fragrance wise this is good, and the consistency wise also I think this is better. This does not promote the wastage of product because sometimes it happens that you're in a hurry and you're just washing your face in a hurry. So in this case the product will come out on your hand very easily, and that will promote the wasting of more product, which is not good. But in this case this is a bit semi-fluid, so that's really nice because it just comes out as much as you need. So that's really nice about the Biotique Bio Papaya one. Let's talk about the ingredients now. The Epic Skin from Faces Canada has some highlighted ingredients on the tube, and those are ginger, tuberose and sea buckthorn. So those three are very highlighted on the tube, so we will talk about them. There are obviously much more ingredients which are mentioned. I'll mention it in the description box below so you can have a read. I will discuss only the three ingredients which are highlighted on the tube here. So ginger has many antioxidants, so it will fight aging of your skin. Tuberose in this Faces Canada face wash is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and also hydrates and promotes a younger looking skin. And yes, it will also soften your skin. Sea buckthorn helps to prevent acne formation and also helps to fight the dry skin, hydration. It promotes hydration. which will obviously fight the dry skin problem which you have. So dry skin after you wash your face with a face wash is going to be controlled because it has sea buckthorn which hydrates your skin very much. Good thing about this face wash, it is sulfate free, and yes, foaming or lathering is obviously less, but yes, it's not totally absent. So as you can see, there are some really good things about this face wash. Now let's talk about the Biotique Bio Papaya face wash. Some ingredients which are very good, and I think I should talk about them in Biotique Bio Papaya face wash, are obviously papaya juice and neem bark and rita fruit. So these three things in this face wash are very good, and I think you should know about them. So papaya juice in the Bio Papaya face wash has natural bleaching properties. So after you use this face wash, it's going to naturally brighten up your skin. The neem bark in this face wash has antioxidants, and thus it will improve your skin health. The Rita fruit in this face wash will make your skin much more hydrated and will give you a very nice and soft and supple skin. This product here is paraben free, sulfate free, and also cruelty free, and it's totally organic with no chemical substances. So that's really good about the Biotique Bio Papaya face wash. Yes, foaming or lathering, there is no foaming. The shelf life of the Epic Skin from Faces Canada is 2 years, and the shelf life of Biotique Bio Papaya face wash is 3 years. So the ingredient wise, both of them has very good ingredients, so they obviously will claim good things. So both of the face washes have very good ingredients. And now let's talk about my experience after I used both of them. Let's compare my experience after I used the Epic Skin from Faces Canada and Bio Papaya from Biotique. First, let me talk about the Epic Skin from Faces Canada. After I washed my face with this face wash, it dried my skin out. Although this has ingredients which are not supposed to dry out your skin, it will hydrate your skin and all, but it did dry out my skin. I have a combination skin type, as I told you, and this face wash is for normal to combination skin type. It just did not hydrate my face. I had a bit of irritation also while I was using the face wash. So I stopped using this face wash after a while because of that irritation problem which I had, and I also faced a lot of dry skin after I used this. After I washed my face, I felt a very much drying out of my skin, so I had to apply a moisturizer. So I would say that this face wash did not work out for me, and I stopped using the face wash. As you can see, I have a lot of product left in this, but I am not using it because this had caused irritation on my skin. So now let's talk about the Biotique Bio Papaya face wash. The Biotique Bio Papaya face wash has very tiny granules, inside this, which is not visible when you see it. But when you are applying it on your face, you will just feel those granules, and they are not very large because very large granules will harm your skin. They are very, very tiny. They are not going to harm your skin. They will exfoliate your skin, which is very good. Exfoliating scrub face washes are very good for the skin because they remove the tan and all dirt and everything very well. Because of that exfoliating property, and also the papaya, which this has, the papaya has natural bleaching properties. So both of them together works really well and will give you a bright skin. That is for sure. After you use this face wash, you are going to see instant brightness on your skin, which I experienced. And yes, dryness, this did not dry out my skin. As I told you, the Faces Canada one did dry out my skin a lot, but the Biotique Bio Papaya face wash did not dry out my skin, so that was good. So I would say that the Biotique Bio Papaya face wash worked pretty well for me, and than obviously the Faces Canada Epic Skin face wash, which is saying specifically that it's for combination skin type but did not work out for me, whereas this is for all skin types, it says so. So that's really good, and I think it will work out for all skin types. How to use, I don't think I have to say you, it's same. First you have to damp up your face, then take a bit of the product, any one which you want, and then just massage it on your skin for at least 30 to 40 seconds. Massage it well and then wash it off with water. that's how you use a face wash, and that's how you are going to use these face washes. So if you are planning to buy the Biotique Bio Papaya face wash or the Faces Canada Epic Skin face wash, now you know which one to buy and which one not to buy. For me, the Biotique Bio Papaya face wash worked really well. I really love this product. I'm swearing by this. Whereas this Epic Skin face wash has worked out for some people, but for me it did not work out. So you can try it if you want, but I would say that this is a much better option for any skin type, because this is for all skin types. And yes, obviously this is cost effective, it's cheap, it's not very expensive, it's natural, you're getting more product, and it's going to brighten up your skin also. So I think this is a better option. Now if you want, obviously you can buy the Epic Skin from the Faces Canada. That was my comparison video between the Biotique Bio Papaya Visibly Flawless face wash and Faces Canada Epic Skin normal to combination skin type, the face wash variant. So I hope I was helpful and could make you understand my experience after using them. And if you have liked my video, please go and subscribe to my channel, and obviously hit the like button below the video. Please share this video with your friends if they are planning to buy any of these or not, and also hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching the full video. Bye bye.